You've tried 5 times. Same wrong answer. What do you actually do when AI is stuck? First, rephrase your prompt. Vague questions produce vague answers. Add context. Tell the AI what you are building, what you already tried, and what specifically went wrong. Mention your language or framework. Be concrete. Sometimes just rewording the question from a different angle is enough to get the right response. Next, break the problem into smaller parts. Instead of asking the AI to solve everything at once, isolate one piece at a time. Try a completely different approach. Ask it to explain the underlying concept first, then apply it. Or ask it to critique your current attempt rather than provide a complete fix from scratch. Smaller, focused questions produce dramatically more reliable results. Third, start a fresh conversation. Long chats accumulate contradictory context that quietly compounds errors. A clean session eliminates that noise and often fixes the problem immediately. And finally, know when to stop relying on AI entirely. If you are capable of solving this yourself and the AI keeps failing, just solve it manually. AI is a powerful tool, but it should never replace your own engineering judgment. When AI is stuck, rephrase with context, break it down, start fresh, or go solo. Try it on your next stubborn prompt. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.